Akiaria hindi icera riake thibitari-ini ya Kiambu, minista wa ugima wa mwiri Thirikari augite ni megutebania mucemanio gatagati ka gavana wa Nairobi Mike Sonko na gavana wa Kiambu Ferdinand Waititu niguo kugeria gwetha kihonia kia muhatikano ucio.
It is therefore important yourself and the governor of Nairobi under my coordination come together so that we can be able to address the issue of decongestion and the issue of a referral system that works. It is possible that if we take 3 interventions which I have thought through even as we are walking, it is possible we can deal with the issues of the decongesting this hospital and giving shorter lead time, especially of the outpatients.
We want to appreciate the effort that she is making to improve health in the whole country. We know she is very, very committed.
Sisli niongereire kuuga ati kurumirira unyitaniri wao na thirikari cia kaunti niguo kumahotithia kugacirithia motungata thibitari-ini cia level 5.
It is recognized that if we invest through this community approach and focus on primary health care services like I have already explained, every 10 shilling that the governor will invest at that level will give him an outcome which is tenfold. So whereas he's investing in facilities and infrastructure, it is our considered opinion, having participated in the unfolding move towards universal health coverage, that is also the place for him to invest.
Oho Sisli neugite mashini 74 cia muigana wa ciringi milioni 40 ni ikuheanwo thibitari itiganite niguo kugacirithia motungata. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, Chitagwo Wanjiru wa Foro.